today's recipe, this is chicken biryani with potatoes, toppings with coriander leaves. And this is also I keep for my husband. I remove from this for biryani and with chapati. And I make also raita. And I keep also yogurt like this. And with you. Alhamdulillah for all the foods for today. For today's recipe, this is keema alo or ground beef with slices of potatoes. Ready na ang aming dinner for today. This is expand wet dough flour. So just now I fried this chapati or roti. They call it here in our village sara. So this is good for breakfast or snack. Dinengdeng paborito ng mga Ilocano at dati sagpaw na nga daing nga bulad nga talakitok. May talong, may okra, ampalaya at saka string beans. Ayan, nagimas iti si daeg. Our viand for lunch together with dinner, this is krili, bitter gourd, ampalaya with ground meat and slices of potatoes. Pakistani dish. Ito na yung tortang ladyfinger o kaya ladyfinger fritters. May extra kagabi, nagluto kasi ako ng chicken biryani. May bisita kasi kami, yung ano dito, yung gumagawa dito ng bahay, yung mga cabinets, tapos ng kisame, yung yero. So, in-invite ko yung asawa niya. Meron silang isang anak na babae, 1 year, 5 months. So, nagluto ako ng chicken biryani and then chips. At saka, gumawa ako ng raita and then yogurt. Bumili din si Fad ng yogurt at saka dew at saka 7-Up. So, merong extra. So, ito matikman na natin itong aking ginawa new recipe for today na tortang ladyfinger with ketchup. Kaya, kain tayo! For today's recipe, this is beef curry because today is first day of Eid. Eid Al-Adha. Eid Mubarak to all Muslims around the world. Ayan. More than ito, 2 kilogram yata itong karne ng baka na niloto ko ngayon. For today's recipe, white rice, chapatis, and this is mutton korbani krai and with mungo beans curry. So this is 3 layers of chicken, potatoes, biryani. And then we have to cover now this one. Yung nahulog. And then I keep also little for my husband. He will eat this one with chapati. Ayan. Isang chicken tapos konting gravy at saka 2 slices na potatoes. So cook this one in slow fire. Ayan. Para maluto o kaya mahain siya. So, ito na yung ganar. Luto na. Ayan, konti lang pag naluto. Ayan. Turn off na natin yung flame. Our lunch together with dinner is ready. And this is beef curry with potatoes and this is korbani meat. Alhamdulillah for our foods for today. Frying eggplant. Then ito na yung fried rice at saka ito yung chicken, kunting chicken adobo. Then magagawa ako ng black coffee. Pang ko ito pang lunch kasi 11:40 AM now. Kanina pa ako nag-breakfast 6 o'clock. Pag alis ni pagising ni Fatma kasi pumasok siya sa school, nagawa ako ng almusal. So, chapati at saka tea with milk yung aming breakfast. Ayan. So lunch ito. Kahit lunch, pwede naman itong fried rice. At saka, ano ngayon, rainy days, umuulan. Kaya masarap ang kumain ng with coffee. Kahit lunch. This is paya. Cow. A feed for cow. And in Tagalog, this is bulalo. Paa ng baka. Ayan. But must be, we have to boil this very, very soft. And maybe almost 8 hours. We boiled this one yesterday. Now we have to put now this soup gravy. Wow. Ayan yung taba-taba. After boiling this very soft, then we make masala, fry garlic, onions, tomatoes, and put this paya masala and these lentils, coriander seeds, fenugreek seeds, cumin seeds, salt, and what is more, like that. Then this is the way we cook here. This is Pakistani dish, and this is very, very expensive kind of dish. My today's recipe is chicken potato biryani. So ito na yung masala. Ano na ito? Luto na ito. And then ito naman yung yung tawag dito, yung rice. Sandali, buksan ko yung rice. Then magagawa din ako ng reta. Lagyan ko ito ng yogurt. And then din ako ng chips. Ayan. So ito na yung kanin. Ayan. Dapat half boil lang ito, tapos tanggalin ko yung tubig. Tapos layer ko. So ayan na. Kasi may bisita kami galing ng Germany, yung hipag ko at saka yung dalawang anak niya. Dumating pa sila nung 11, kaya lang dumiretso siya doon sa parents house niya. Kasi yun nga, namatay yung father niya last year ng November. So sabi ng aking bayaw, at saka yung aking asawa, doon na lang siya dumiretso. Pero dapat sana dito siya dumiretso, tapos punta siya doon. So ngayon sila dumating. Nandun na sila yata sa baba. Ayan na. Din ako, mag-roast chicken din ako. Mga 9 pieces ito na chicken. Ayan, dumating na yung dalawang bata. Nandun pa sa baba yung aking hipag. Ayan, naglalaro sila. Rafi at saka Hamza yung name nila. Mostly Filipinos are doing this, and I'm the one of it. Save gasol and save time. And then cover it and lagyan ng asin para hindi mahilaw yung kanin. For today's recipe, this is paa ng kambing. This is already very soft. Kumbaga bulalo, paa ng kambing, bulalo. So ito na yung aking paratha na ginawa. Ayan Maganda yung pagkagawa. Crunchy na soft. Ayan. Ayan. Masarap ito na pang nasta talaga with chai, partner with chai or coffee, or pwede din ito pang snack. Ayan maganda yung layer niya. Kain tayo ng breakfast, fried rice with egg, and 1 piece na chicken curry. Sinama ko na lang dito, of course, with black coffee. Ayan, meron pa akong extra dito na fried rice. Sa kanila ay gagawa ako ng paratha or bread. So, ayan, kain tayo ng breakfast.